What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Arweave. I had a couple of bullish days actually. We'll get into how much percentage exactly in a minute. 2 billion market cap. In my opinion, I mean, Arweave is a project that has real use cases and a lot of partnerships, and it is already being used. But Arweave is also one of those cryptos that, that is just hard to market. So some cryptos such as Quant, Arweave, HBAR a little bit. Let's see if we can see some more. I mean, yeah, Algorand, Chainlink. Chainlink is a good one. Those are just projects with real use cases, serious projects, but a little bit less spent on the marketing, and they are a little bit less likely to be hyped. And yeah, the crypto market at this point is still based around a lot of hype. So in my opinion, that doesn't really do anything less of the project. I still think the project of Arweave is very good, but that might sometimes slow down the price movements and its potential. Because as you can see, this whole bull run right here was 63%. That's actually a lot. So yeah, it's actually looking very good for Arweave. We have reached this 58 level. And in my opinion, I mean, if you look at this trend line, this is a really steep one. Let me actually make that bigger for you. You can see that actually held throughout the whole bull run, which is really bullish. I mean, and I have never seen such a trend line hold for so many touches. And what that says, in my opinion, together with that it has reached this level with this quite strong trend line, as you can see right here, and this key level, I think this will actually be the local top. And then it's most likely that from here we will drop down to maybe 54 or 52. From there, maybe find some support, make a small fake bullish move to get everybody excited again, and then find resistance at around 57. And I think eventually we're going to drop down all the way to 50 again, which of course is a major psychological support level. But this whole level, so from 48 up until 50, could be the whole support. So maybe that it kind of first finds support at 50, drops down a little bit to 48, but eventually I think we are going to consolidate in this area. So ultimately between 48 and around 58. So I think that is the most likely scenario, that from now we drop down, maybe consolidate first a little bit lower, but eventually consolidate in this area for at least the remaining of December. I think that is the most likely scenario. But what I said with the trend line, this bull run is very strong. So I really don't want to rule out that this bull run continues. As I said, I think it's most likely it will not. But if, for example, we break also this trend line, so in the upcoming hours we break 60.3, or in the upcoming day, so to at least somewhere like 62.4, then I actually think we are going to this full key level right here. And that would mean we would find resistance between 64 and 66. Now, I am going to take a risk here, and that's by saying that I really don't see the price going anywhere higher than that. I mean, you should also take into consideration that that would mean that from the beginning of that bull run, if we are going all the way up until 66, that would mean an 85% increase, which of course is possible within the crypto sphere. But if you look at the whole market, I mean, Bitcoin is still at 47,000. That's just a little bit too much in my opinion. I mean, it doesn't really care. It doesn't really matter how good the project is, how much hype there is. I don't think that is possible. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis on Arweave, different scenarios, the most likely scenario, and some conditions upon which these scenarios have been based. So if you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As always, this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on technical analysis, and I would always advise you to do your own research as well. And yeah, having said that, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.